We're here on site to demonstrate how to measure stockpiles using the Botlink system compared to traditional methods, whether that's using a rover and climbing on the piles and measuring around, or using something more expensive, belt scale. Someone climbing on top of a pile isn't very stable or secure, and someone can fall or have other issues. The Botlink system is very easy to use. All it is tap out the area you want to fly, tap fly, and then the drone takes care of the rest. It'll take off, it'll fly a route around your site, take a number of pictures, and land all by itself. So no manual input is needed. The drone really takes care of everything. And then we have a number of safety features built in, so it's constantly monitoring the battery levels, and it has obstacle avoidance sensors to keep it from doing anything that's going to be unsafe. Really all you need to do there is just watch it fly, and the drone takes care of the rest. We can fly an entire site in about 20 minutes and get that data back in hours rather than days or weeks. After flying the drone, take the SD card out of the drone, pop it in your computer and upload it to the Botlink web portal. From there, the Botlink portal is going to automatically process all those images. Usually takes about an hour to 2 hours to get those process results back and give you a final 2D map as well as 3D models and digital surface models. From there, just click around the pile and you get a volume measurement as well as a calculator for the tonnage of that pile. Botlink adds efficiency, safety, accuracy, and ease of use to the workflow. Just not very complicated, and get the drone up in the air and get your data back as quickly as possible.